Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It has been a long time. I've been away travelling, but I am back in the UK now and I'm back doing nails, but it's been a long time and I'm very rusty. I'm just showing you here my builder in a bottle nails. These were the first ones I'd done for like nearly 2 years, so it took me absolutely ages to do them, but I am really happy with them. Getting my nails used to having products on them again. So yeah, I'm doing this like opal style nail video today. I just want to show you what I'm using, but I also want to apologise for the quality of this video. I'm just getting myself set up. This is the first video that I've done in a long time. And I'm not really set up yet. I've not got my camera set up done. I've not got my lighting done properly yet. So this was just sort of an experiment. And it didn't turn out too badly. So I thought I might as well upload it because I was happy with the nail that I did. So it's just one nail. I'm not doing a full set or anything while I get myself used to it. And I'm using Glam gel polishes and builder gels. And I've also got some mylar shards, I think they are, because they're a bit chunkier. And then I've got some flakes, like iridescent flakes. I don't know where these were from. I've got a full set of them. If you go on Amazon or AliExpress, you'll find them everywhere. So what I've done is I've just put a coat of the builder gel, the white builder gel, and into that wet gel I'm just putting some of the flakes and the mylar shards. And I don't want them completely covering it. I do want gaps because this is going to be a layered design. And I haven't used a base coat because I've just buffed the tip and it's just a plastic tip, so it doesn't need base coat on. So then I cure that for 30 seconds in my lamp, and then I'm going in with Amazon from Madam Glam, and this is a rubber base coat, but it's got glitter in, and I was going for a purple theme. And this glitter in it is like purple iridescent, but it's very, very fine. It's almost like dust that's in there. And then I've got this one called Beautiful Chaos, and this is a metallic, but it's a sheer, and that's a purple. So I'm putting a bit of that on my palette there, and then I'm just using the brush just to put that in a few places. And then sort of thin it out a little bit. Yeah, this is where the video quality isn't very good because I zoomed in and I should have just left it the way it was. But that's it. I forgot how to film. I've not done this for a long time, so bear with me. The end result is okay. So I'll just let you watch while I feather this out. So the next layer is going to be Purity from Madam Glam. So this is a gel polish as well, but it's a white sheer gel polish. So that's going to be the next layer that I use. And then I'm just going in with some more of those flakes. I'm not using any more of the mylar shards. I'm just using the flakes now. And then so I dot a few of those here and there, and then I just pat the nail all over to make sure that they're all lying flat. And then after that, I cure that purity, and then after that I go in with another layer of purity just over the top of those shards. Because if you're doing a design like this, like an opal type or a gemstone, you do need lots of layers, but it's best to keep your layers thin. So after that layer of purity is on, I'm just going in with my brush and I'm just taking some of it off in different places just so that you can see through to the other layers in certain places. And then the last step is, or the last layer is going to be Pure Serenity. So this is Madam Glam's clear builder gel. So I'm going over the entire nail with a slip layer. So this is just a thin layer. and then I'm getting another bead of gel, and then I'm going to work that down from the cuticle to the tip. I didn't need it to be very thick because there's already quite a lot of layers, but I didn't want to file off any of the white or any of the glitters that I've put on. And then I'm just using some alcohol just to wipe off the sticky layer. And then I'm just going to give it a buff so that it's smooth all over before I put the top coat on. Okay, so we're just going to put the top coat on now. I hope you can see this properly because I'd zoomed in again. And yeah, with the lighting, it just looked a little bit too bright and you couldn't really see what I was doing properly. But if you leave these matte, then you can still see the glitter coming through. But I just, you know, if it's a gemstone nail, I want it shiny. And then this is how it looked. I tried to turn the lighting down so that you could see it a bit better. I hope you can see all the, you know, bits of purple and the shards under there and everything. So yeah, that's it for this one. Just a quick one just to start off. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.